Hey everyone, welcome back. If you see a network or connection error in the CommBank app, first check your network connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues. If you're not able to do so, make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi so your app operates smoothly. Then turn airplane mode on for a few seconds and then wait for about 10 to 15 seconds, turn it back off. This will refresh your network signal. Then avoid using VPNs or proxy connections as banking apps often block them. Restart your phone and reopen the CommBank app. If the error continues, try connecting to a different Wi-Fi or use mobile data instead. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.